Hi, I'm Karen Brunger. I would like to tell you about my Colour Palette Assessors. These are assessors on large cards that you can use to determine someone's wow colors. There are 10 different palettes. These two are the cool and the warm. On the back of each card is information about the palette. In addition to the cool and warm, we have the 4 seasons. So here we have winter, spring, summer, and autumn. And we have the 6 flows. You've already seen the cool and warm. We also have the deep, light, bright, and muted. So let's go through how to use the Colour Palette Assessors. To do the assessment on me, we'll start with cool and warm. So here's the warm and here's the cool, and you can see the cool is much better. Another way to use them is side by side, and of course you can even move them up and down and compare even different parts of the palette. So you can see I am cool. The next step is to assess which cool palette. So the 2 cool seasons are summer and winter. So here we have the summer and winter, there's the winter, and there's the summer. And we can see that the summer is more in harmony with my coloring. The winter is a little bit harsh. And again, we can also use them this way. The advantage of this way is you can also get close to the eyes. Now that we know that I'm a summer, we can assess what type of summer. Each season has 4 types. We'll compare each of the 4 flows with the true summer. Starting with the one that I'm least likely to be, which is light, we compare these two, and you can see summer is much better. The light is washing me out a little bit. The next one that I am less likely to be is muted because my undertone is so cool. So here's muted and here's the summer, and you can see that with the muted, I tend to look a little bit sallow, so the true is better. The last one we compare with the true summer is the cool. And this one's not so bad. It's better than the other 2. And it gets pretty close, but you can see that the summer tends to be a little bit softer on my skin. You'll see that I get more of a facelift, whereas this one's a little bit harsh, and you notice my jawline more. And here, eyes go up and my skin is much smoother. So I like this one better. So I'm a true summer. Once you know the wow palette, then your client or you can get your individual little strip to take shopping. For these tools and more, you can check out my website, imageconsultantproducts.com.